After a long drive throughout the night, just the high beams, dust and silence, we finally arrived at our destination, but were too tired to take it all in. So we got some sleep. And when we woke up, we couldn't believe where we were. After a long afternoon, Dad and I were still pretty tired from the night before. But the best part? We could camp right here. So after some cooking, a bit of editing, and a little stargazing, I called it a night. Tomorrow, we'd explore the rest of Nhulunbuy. The coastline of Nhulunbuy feels untouched. Red cliffs meeting white sand, with turquoise water stretching out for miles. The beaches here aren't crowded, they're quiet, raw, and full of soul. It's the kind of place where time slows down, and the land reminds you just how vast and sacred Australia really is. It's hard to describe what a perfect day looks like, but Bremer Island came close. Warm water, no rush, nowhere to be, just me and Dad, completely present. One of those days you quietly hope never ends. Thanks for tuning in, guys. In the next episode, Dad and I cross the border into Western Australia and continue the journey. I look forward to seeing you all then. Bye for now.